So let's take a look at the differences between searching Google as opposed to Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is a search engine first and foremost for academic and scholarly literature. It provides a simple way to broadly search for research, and from one place you can search across many different disciplines and sources, and these include research articles, theses, books, abstracts, court opinions, and these are from a variety of academic publishers, professional societies, online repositories, universities, and other educational websites. So Google Scholar helps you to find relevant work across the world of scholarly research. Perhaps you're more familiar with searching Google in everyday life for shopping or to check the latest sports score or perhaps the latest weather forecast. And when you're searching Google, you're searching across hundreds of billions of different websites and you're searching the entire indexed web as opposed to a very focused scholarly literature collection. And it can be still as useful for your research as Google Scholar, particularly when you're searching for official and primary sources such as government websites. So knowing how to search the both of them effectively, which we're going to discover today, will put you in a very good place for being able to complete your research and your literature searches in the most efficient time possible.